Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to run Android games on your computer using the Google Play Games official Android emulator on computer. So if you have been using third-party apps like BlueStacks or other emulators, you may have noticed that there is some lag and some inconsistency when you play a game, especially when you're playing a competitive game like PUBG or Free Fire. You may have noticed some problems. So all of that is fixed now with the official Google Android emulator. You can visit it by going to Google and just typing Google Play Games Emulator, and then you will land on this page. Just click on download on PC. It is very easy to use. You can use your keyboard and mouse to play. So yeah, it's very nice, very easy to use. Just download it. It's a couple of megabytes, not a lot, and then do the installation. It is very easy and pretty straightforward, and there you will be able to open the Google Play Store and install any game that you want. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.